Success does not announce itself. It arrives quietly. While the world is busy talking, real winners are busy working. In a small town lived a young boy named David. He was intelligent, curious, and full of ambition. He dreamed of topping his class, learning new skills, and building a future people would admire. But David had one habit that slowly worked against him. He talked too much. Whenever a new idea came to his mind, he shared it. Whenever he planned something big, he announced it. He spoke about his goals, his dreams, even plans that were still fragile. At first, it felt good. People praised him. They said he was smart, confident, and ambitious. But weeks passed. Months passed, and success did not come. His exam results were average. His energy slowly dropped. Some people even started mocking him. Confused and disappointed, David visited his grandfather one weekend. The old man was calm, wise, and spoke very little. Seeing David troubled, he asked, "Why does your heart feel so heavy, son?" David sighed and said, "I talk about my dreams all the time, but I don't achieve them. I feel motivated at first, but later I lose interest." His grandfather listened quietly. Then he said something that surprised David. "You lose interest because you talk too much." David was shocked. "How can talking be the problem?" The old man smiled and began a story. Long ago, there lived a poor farmer named Thomas. He had nothing except determination. He dreamed of owning a large farm and giving his family a better life. Every day, Thomas worked in the fields from sunrise to sunset. But he had one rule. He never spoke about his plans. Villagers often asked him, "Why do you work so hard?" Thomas would simply smile and say, "You will see." Years passed. Quietly, he bought one small piece of land, then another. Slowly, his farm grew. Then came a house. Then prosperity. One day, an old friend asked him, "Why didn't you ever tell anyone about your dreams?" Thomas replied calmly, "When you talk too much, two things happen. Some people try to stop you, and you waste energy speaking instead of building. Silence protects goals. Success speaks when the time is right." The grandfather looked at David and said, "Son, when you talk about your goals, your brain feels rewarded. That false satisfaction kills hunger, and without hunger, effort dies." That moment changed David. From that day, he stopped explaining himself. He stopped sharing unfinished plans. He worked quietly. He studied harder. He reduced useless conversations. He focused. Months passed. David changed. His confidence grew. His discipline strengthened. And in his final exams, he ranked first. People asked, "What changed?" David smiled. He had learned the power of silence. Years later, he became a successful entrepreneur, not because he talked less, but because he worked more. Silence is not weakness. Silence is strategy. Not everyone needs to hear your plans. Not everyone needs access to your dreams. Build quietly. Let results introduce you. Because in the end, the strongest voice is not words, it is success.